how are you?
Good.
Alright, it's raining outside, so we just want some different food, right? Not Indian food today. It's raining outside. Alright, so today is the day we want to eat the Hakka food because it's raining, so we want something spicy.
Rainy evening, everyone. It's finally rain stopped for us to have some food. We want to have some spicy food for this weather, so we are in the China Cottage. That's one of the famous restaurants in Canada. They have a couple of branches. Now we are in this Scarborough branch. They have plenty of options, Hakka, vegetarian, non-vegetarian options. What is the interesting part, very friendly staff, and they have plenty of alcohol stuff for the reasonable price. The decor and the restaurant looks amazing. It's very spacious. If anyone wants to have a birthday parties or anything, that's the best place. They have a huge bar and like a huge space. So we're gonna put all the food and we're gonna put an order. We will go from there. What is that, Anna?
It's a vegetable roll.
It's a vegetable roll. What's the difference between spring roll and this one?
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think the out with the shell, right? This is a bit more crispy and like bigger. That's a bit more like this is like deep fried.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
May is putting the sauce. What sauce is that?
Plum sauce.
Definitely, she's expert in all kind of Hakka food because she loves Hakka food.
So I'm gonna take a bite.
How is that?
Crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. It's really good. You want some right now? You want some?
What is the difference between spring roll and this one?
I don't know.
This one is like you will feel the more veggie taste. Spring roll is like more crispy taste, but I love it. You may be wondering what I'm doing. I'm just looking the drinks for the weather outside. It's so good. It's kind of cold and chill outside, and for this weather, if you drink hot and sour soup, that would be great as well. How do you like it?
I love it.
You love it?
It's the spiciest hot and sour soup ever.
So good. It's a Manchurian fried rice. There's no egg or there's no meat. It's a pure vegetarian. Look at that, how beautiful is that, with the broccoli and with a lot of soy sauce and a lot of vegetables, cabbage. And here is a chili tofu. Wow, looks amazing.
I had the tofu. It's so good.
It's so good?
So good.
How do you like it?
It's like a sweet and tangy.
You love it?
It's very filling. Like these are big chunks of tofu. It's very filling.
The tofu is very crispy.
No, I think it's a good balance.
Really? And also we order the
Chicken fried rice for these
chicken
guys.
fried rice
These guys
for these guys.
love chicken fried rice, but this is really good. Very fresh.
Yeah, it takes almost about half an hour, I think, right? To prepare it.
Yeah.
Everything is a fresh food. Honestly, we love it.
Because the takeout is flying out the door, so
Yeah, it's flying out the doors. Alright guys, I'm gonna have the chili tofu with Manchurian fried rice. Here's a chili tofu mixed well with fried rice. Now the first bite. Oh my god, baby, mind blowing.
Really?
So good. I love it. You don't love it?
I love it.
So good. It's not greasy. Sometimes if you go some other places, the tofu is very greasy, but
Yeah.
here No,
It's very light and fluffy.
very light and fluffy. It's like you are eating like a buri. So good.
We're going to cool house.
Cool bar.
Oh, cool bar. To have some ice cream.
Alright, we didn't order desserts from here. Now we are going to Lankan Cool Bar. It's a Sri Lankan ice cream dessert place. So we're just gonna block from there. Alright, so we had our food from the restaurant. It's raining outside if we see it. Wow, look at this. It's raining. So for this nice weather, we're gonna have some ice cream. So we're gonna have an ice cream from famous Lingam House. You alright, May?
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright, we are here at Lingam Cream House. We already came inside the store and they have plenty of flavor and we don't know what to choose because it's very confused for me because so many options they have. It looks stunning, but normally I always get the mango and vanilla and pineapple. Today I'm gonna go same flavor as well. Mega special daringla. Yeah. One pineapple, one mango and vanilla. They put up everything in there to go option, so then we bought everything. Wow, look at they have so many appetizers as well, but we are not buying anything from them today and we only got the ice cream. So let's go inside the car and we're gonna try together and we will let you know how the taste. Anyway, for the great weather, it's raining outside, we are having ice cream. So I got the flavor pistachio. Normally there's a two type of ice creams that they have, special and mega special. So I got the mega special for that. They have 4 different flavor. So I get vanilla, mango, pistachio and pineapple. And May, so May also got mega special. She got, no, you got mega special, but I put 2 vanilla. You like 2 vanilla? No, I got 2 pineapple, sorry. Yeah, I got 2 pineapple, 1 vanilla and 1 mango. I know you. You are very picky in food.
The kids are eating my food.
So how do you like it?
I love it. It's my favorite.
Lingam's your favorite?
Yeah, because it reminds me of back home, you know?
Sri Lanka? Yeah, every time when you come, you will have a great feelings. Honestly, whether you trust me or not, every time I come to this place, I have a good memories because I feel like I am just walking around in Jaffna. So I am trying the Lankan House ice cream. I love the pistachio. So good. It's like a gulfi. Then mixed with
really
mango.
Like
gulfi?
pistachio. Oh, I
Wow.
don't like pistachio. I don't know why. I never liked pistachio.
So good.
I actually don't like
You know, they mix with all the jellies and everything. See? And nothing beat Lingam Cream House ice cream. Cheers, guys. Alright. While we are eating ice cream, we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell buttons. We'll see you with another videos. Bye bye. It's Dashan. Bye.